Hello everyone, my name is Deepak and today I am going to learn some important function. Um, so, uh, some important function like Coalesce function is null function. Okay, so I have a table test P2 where you can see that ID column, comment and translation. So what we required here in case of comment where comment translation is null, we have to print the comment, and in case of we have some junk character or any um, uh, unwanted value, so we need to put the value from the translation, right? So in case of fifth record, you can say see that cd, so it comes to very bad. AB, so it is not satisfied, and AB, CBCD extraordinary medium. So what we want here, in case of null, we want to put the value from the comments column, and in case of there is some ordinary value, so we can put the value from the translation. So how we can do that? We can, earlier we have to use the case statement. So how we write, select ID, okay, case. So we need to write when. So we'll use this value translation when t when translation is null, right? Then we need to pick the value from the comment, else we need to write from the value translation. And as output we'll see that value in output from test P2. So what we have written, in case translation is null, okay, so we'll pick the value from the comment column, and in case of translation column is not null, very bad, so we'll pick the value from the translation, right? So if we run this, so see, we have the value where it is null, we are picking the value from the translation column, right? So fifth record we have very bad, so it is not giving the output as CD, so we had picked the value from the translation, which is very bad. Now we have some functions, predefined function in every database. Select ID, comma, coalesce function we will use. So what coalesce will use, we have to pass parameters here, translation, comma, comment. So it will always pick the not null value. So in case of translation, if it is null value, so it will pick the value of comment function. If it is not null, then it is take from the translation column itself, from the first parameter, from test P2. So if we run, so we'll get the same result. Something I did wrong, column the translation, okay. The spelling of translation is not correct. Yeah, you can see that, and you can also give as column name, because we are giving select ID coalesce function, and as our output, as output, not end, because end as output we use in case statement, okay. And we have one more function, select is null function we can also use. Select ID is null, You can pass the same value here. So same result. So we have three function, right? When you have some situation where uh, uh, you have to keep one not null value. So we have Coalesce function, Isnull function, or you can write case statement. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe.